It's Jason from POR15 here at SEMA 2017. It's a blur after 4 days, and we're introducing a couple new products this year, but the biggest one that we're excited about is our matte clear. It's a 2-component water-based matte clear coat. Design has a clear coat, so you have the option to do a traditional glossy for whoever, or we came up with a matte so people can either do patina look like we have here, or do custom flames and offset sheen and things like that. It's matte because of our resin technology. We're not adding any flattener, so your sheen consistency, each time you apply it, is going to be the same, can to can or beginning to can to end to can. UV stable, burnish resistant, so if you want to wash it off with a hand wash it, stuff like that, you can do that. You don't have to worry about getting burnishing and scratching and gloss marks on you. So you can go direct to metal, over paint, over wood. There's a variety of uses for it. We're really excited about it. We've gotten tremendous response and excitement about people trying to get it in their hands, so we look forward to everyone trying it, giving us the feedback, and just seeing how creative people can be with it.